When it comes time to replace or dispose of old, bulky appliances in your Austin home, the process of removal can be more complicated than you might think. Whether you're upgrading your refrigerator, washing machine, or an old stove, dealing with the disposal of large appliances can be challenging. That's where an appliance removal service comes in. Hiring professionals to handle the removal of your unwanted appliances not only saves you time and effort but also ensures that the job is done safely and efficiently. In this article, we'll explore the key benefits of hiring an appliance removal service for your Austin home and why it's a smart choice when it's time to get rid of old or broken appliances. Convenience and time saving. One of the biggest advantages of hiring an appliance removal service is the convenience it offers. When you attempt to remove large appliances on your own, you're often faced with heavy lifting, navigating narrow hallways, and the need for proper disposal methods. This can be time-consuming, especially if you're dealing with old appliances that are difficult to move. By hiring a professional appliance removal service, the entire process is handled for you. Removal specialists will arrive at your home, assess the situation, and quickly and safely remove the appliance. There's no need to worry about renting a truck, coordinating transport, or struggling with the heavy lifting. The service saves you valuable time and effort, allowing you to focus on other tasks or enjoy a hassle-free experience. Proper disposal and recycling. When it comes to disposing of old appliances, it's important to follow local regulations for waste removal and ensure that items are disposed of responsibly. Many appliances contain harmful chemicals, such as freon in refrigerators or mercury in older light bulbs. These materials require specialized disposal methods to ensure they don't harm the environment. Professional appliance removal companies are familiar with the rules and regulations surrounding appliance disposal. They take care to ensure that your old appliances are recycled or disposed of in an eco-friendly way. For instance, many companies partner with recycling centers to properly dispose of metals, glass, and plastic, reducing the impact on landfills and helping to preserve the environment. By choosing an appliance removal service, you're making an environmentally responsible choice. Avoid damage to your home. Removing heavy appliances from your home can be tricky, especially if you're working in tight spaces or dealing with large, cumbersome items. In the process, you risk damaging floors, walls, or even door frames. Moving large refrigerators, stoves, or dishwashers without the proper tools and knowledge can lead to dents, scratches, or worse, putting a strain on your home's structure and your peace of mind. A professional appliance removal service has the proper tools, equipment, and experience to safely remove appliances without causing damage to your home. They know how to navigate tight corners, protect surfaces, and move large items efficiently. This means that you can be confident that your home will remain damage-free throughout the removal process. Safety and injury prevention. Attempting to remove heavy appliances on your own can be physically demanding, and without the proper equipment, there's a risk of injury. Lifting heavy objects improperly can lead to strains, sprains, or even serious injuries. It's easy to underestimate the weight of large appliances like refrigerators or dryers, which can weigh hundreds of pounds. Appliance removal professionals are trained to lift and move heavy items safely. They come equipped with tools like dollies, straps, and padding to ensure that appliances are moved carefully and securely. By hiring a professional service, you avoid the risk of injury and ensure that the job is completed safely. Cost-effectiveness. At first glance, it may seem like hiring an appliance removal service would be an unnecessary expense, especially when you can handle the removal yourself. However, when you factor in the costs of renting a truck, buying packing materials, and taking time off work to complete the task, the price of a professional service is often a better value. Additionally, if you damage your home or the appliance during the removal, you may face costly repairs or replacements, which would outweigh the initial cost of hiring a service. Professional appliance removal companies typically offer affordable pricing and include the cost of removal, transportation, and disposal in their service fee. This makes it a cost-effective solution compared to doing it yourself, especially when you consider the time, energy, and potential expenses involved in handling the process independently. Streamlined and stress-free experience. Removing old appliances can be stressful, particularly if you don't have the right tools or experience. Having to deal with disposal, finding a way to transport the appliance, and worrying about the impact on your home can make the process more overwhelming than it needs to be. Hiring an appliance removal service makes the entire process streamlined and stress-free. The experts handle every detail from start to finish, so you don't have to worry about the logistics. They'll schedule a time that works for you, arrive promptly, and take care of everything efficiently. With a professional service, you can relax knowing that the job is in capable hands. Free up space quickly. Once your old appliances are gone, you'll immediately notice the extra space in your home. Whether you're replacing an old fridge, washing machine, or dryer, having the space to accommodate your new appliances is a game changer. A professional appliance removal service helps clear out that space quickly, so you can move forward with your home upgrades without delay. Conclusion: why you should hire an appliance removal service in Austin. Hiring an appliance removal service in Austin offers a range of benefits, from convenience and safety to environmental responsibility and cost-effectiveness. Professional removal services help ensure your old appliances are properly disposed of or recycled, reducing your environmental footprint while avoiding the risk of injury and damage to your home. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen, laundry room, or garage, an appliance removal service makes the process easier, faster, and more efficient. For homeowners who want to enjoy a hassle-free experience and free up space in their homes, this service is a must. Reach out to a reliable appliance removal company in Austin today and experience a smooth, stress-free way to upgrade your appliances and keep your home clean and organized.